Checking the status of your Ring device.
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be tackling a frequently asked question. Can I check the status of my Ring device to see if it's offline? Let's dive right in.
Why would my Ring device go offline?
Before we get to checking the status, it's essential to understand why a Ring device might go offline. The device might disconnect from your Wi-Fi network due to 1. Network issues, interruptions or weak signals from your router. 2. Power outages, especially for devices that aren't battery-powered. 3. Software updates. Sometimes during updates, devices can temporarily lose connection.
How can I check the status?
To determine if your Ring device is offline, follow these steps. 1. Open the Ring app. The app is the primary tool to manage and monitor all your Ring devices. 2. Go to the dashboard. You'll see a list of all your devices. 3. Check device health. Tap on the device you're curious about and look for the Device Health option. Here, the status will show if it's online or offline.
What if my device is indeed offline?
If your Ring device is offline, don't panic. Here are some steps to troubleshoot. 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure other devices can connect to the internet. 2. Reboot your Ring device. Sometimes a simple restart can help. 3. Charge or replace the battery. If your device is battery-powered, this could be the issue. 4. Contact Ring support. If none of the above work, it's a good idea to reach out to the professionals. I hope this guide was helpful in helping you determine the status of your Ring device and what steps to take if it's offline. Remember, technology can sometimes have hiccups, but there's almost always a solution. Stay connected and take care.